Hi guys, let's make some comfort food. Who wouldn't like some delicious comfort food? Usually people think it's more like a winter thing, but I believe that this dish is really good all year round. It is garlic noodles. It's one of my favorites. And soy sages, by the way. Alright, we are going to make the healthiest, most beneficial version of garlic noodles you have ever tried. And not just because of the garlic. I mean, duh, everybody knows that garlic is good for you. But why don't we make a creamy garlic noodles with extra benefits? Let's start with this fabulous brown rice pasta that some genius added moringa to it. And moringa blocks the absorption of arsenic. I mean, we don't want arsenic in our bodies, right? Somebody put moringa, this company I think called Lotus Foods, put moringa in it and it blocks the absorption of arsenic. So let's go and put this in water and start cooking it. And while our brown rice pasta is cooking very nicely in the kitchen, let's prepare this garlic sauce, okay? Keep the blender in its place. I start with 1 can, which is 16 ounces of organic coconut milk. Right, I just put it in the blender. It's a very easy, very perfect way to get the sauce smooth. Then we are going to add the title stars, garlic and tremella. Garlic, it's antimicrobial, antiviral, antibacterial. Of course, we can use it every day in our lives. Well, if you can handle the breath, of course. And tremella mushroom. Tremella mushroom is famous for its beauty enhancing properties. I put 2 tablespoons in there. But it goes beyond that. Of course, it's amazing because it acts like hyaluronic acid in your skin. And hyaluronic acid can hold 1,000 times its weight in water, so it goes into your skin and makes it supple, youthful. It really helps reducing wrinkles. It was a secret for famous beauties all throughout history. But tremella is incredible also for protecting against radiation. There have been studies about it, and I've been just amazed how incredible this adaptogenic mushroom is. Then we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of arrowroot. It is a great source of potassium and B vitamins, which is very good for your nerves, boosts your metabolism, good for your circulation, your heart health, your cholesterol. Great. And it's going to help you thicken up alongside the tremella, make a very nice creamy, oh look at that, it's sticking to this, creamy sauce. We like a good creamy sauce. And the other ones are just a little side. We feature them as well, but they're not as important. Spices and salt. This is half a teaspoon of salt, and I make my own spice mix because I couldn't find anything that had all the great organic spices in there without extra salt. And it has black pepper, basil, celery, oregano, mustard seed, cumin, marjoram, oregano, coriander, everything. It's really up to what kind of spices you would like to put into your garlic sauce. So everything is in the blender. Now we are going to blend it up and add it to the pasta and just keep thickening it up. Let me show you how awesome it looks when you blend it up.